Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Even if this is not the day that you're watching, I hope that you had a great Valentine's Day. But I'm always last minute, ashamedly, with my kids stuff. I really didn't want to do anything for Valentine's Day, but I'm like, you know what? My son, he can't pass out any treats or anything like that in his school. So you have to do things that are not edible or whatever. So I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up a bunch of pencils. I was hoping they had Valentine's Day pencils, but since I'm last minute, everything is always gone. So I picked up 12 packs of pencils, and they come in all these different colors, and they're like holographic and stuff. And so I created these little Valentine pencils for his classmates. I used the Valentine 2025 stamp set from Scrap Diva Designs. And then I used the heart luggage tags. And that set comes with 2 different size die sets. Here's the small. You get the stitched piece, and then you get the scalloped edge piece. So I use the bigger one of the 2. And I just cut out a bunch of hearts stamped with my Misty. I uploaded a short so you guys can check it out. And then I just literally put a dab of hot glue here, a dab of hot glue here, and just sandwich the pencil into here so that they can open, take it out or whatever, and do whatever they want with this. I think they came out really cute. And then I wanted to get something for his teachers and his principal, and it's just nothing special. I just wanted to get them a little something. And so I got this little 2-pack of hearts, the heart basket. They sell these every year. So I grabbed that pack there. I grabbed some Snickers, 2 packs. They had these really cute little chocolates. I don't know how good they are, but they're cute. This one says Pugs and Kisses. This one says I Woof You. So cute, the little doggies. Hopefully they're doggy lovers. And then I grabbed 2 packs of Kisses. Elijah loves the Avengers, so I grabbed this for him to give in addition to the pencils and stuff. And I thought I grabbed 2 of these, but there's one missing. So I don't know, I might keep those for myself. I might put 1 in each, but nobody wants to get teased with one of those, And then I bought a couple bags of these. These are my favorite, sweet and salty kettle corn by Boom Chicka Pop. And so I'm gonna put 1 each inside of their baskets. And so I thought it would be cool to do a little pack with me. I hauled these in my last Dollar Tree haul. I found these cute little bags. I only bought 1 pack. Oh, and I bought these stickers. They had these. Elijah has to do a box. So I'm going to create a box with him, and we're going to put these stickers all around his box to make it Valentine's Day. So hopefully that comes out nice. But here goes the bag. And look at how perfect these chocolates fit in here. So we'll put 1 in each. I really don't like to do too much crafting for the classroom because, look, I use my 110-pound cardstock, guys. I use my inks and all that, and they're just going to dump that stuff out. They're not going to save that. So I don't like doing stuff like that, but I had to take one for the team, guys. Let's go ahead and do the kisses. And I think I'll just dump them in there. And 1 in the other. Okay. And then let's throw in the Snickers. Hopefully they like Snickers. Bag full of chocolates. Who wouldn't want that? Come on now. I was trying not to go crazy because I still had to get other things from there. Okay, we'll stick these in here. And then I think I want to do a little tag or something for them to further embellish. Those don't look the prettiest, right? I should have put the candy in the back. I don't know. I think it'll be okay. And then don't forget those heart tags from scrapdivadesigns.com. Let me give Ava one of these kisses, guys. Because she's like candy. So mommy's calling me, Daddy. Come here, please.
What do you want?
What do you mean, what do I want? You don't say that. You say, yes, mommy.
Yeah.
That was not nice. Why you say, what do you want? Wow, y'all hear that? Come here, please. So here goes the heart tags.
Heart?
I got something for you. Look.
But a candy.
Yeah. Don't say, what do you want to mommy? That was not nice. Did you hear me?
A candy.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Talking about what I want. You hear that? The nerve. Okay. So here goes the bag. And then it's like too heavy now because of all those candies. But anyways, I gotta get this all the way at the bottom. And then you can take this clip and clip it onto your bag to close it and to embellish your bag. Look at how cute, guys. How cute is that with the little tassel? I don't know. Do you think that my kid's teacher and his principal is gonna keep this tag? Because I would hate for them to throw it away. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to jump on here really quick. I'm trying to find another heart tag. Can't see where I put it. But that's it. I wanted to do a quick little DIY with you guys and give you guys maybe a last minute idea. I probably should have posted this today or yesterday, but it is what it is. Better late than never. And then I have this here. So I'm going to take this and put it here. And then stick this popcorn in there. And I think that's a cute little gift, guys. I'm probably going to tie a bow or some ribbon or put a tag with their initial. And I think that's really cute for a cute little Valentine's gift. Not the prettiest, but I think it's snazzy with the little, you know, the little bread tag in my digitals. All right, so I hope you all have a great Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Ava, say Happy Valentine's Day.
Yay!
Say Happy Valentine's Day. She's here for more candy, guys. All right, I love you guys. Catch you in the next video. Bye.